Hi everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel, and in this video I will show you step by step how to use Systeme.io in 2025 even if you are total beginner. By the end of this tutorial you will know how to set up your account, build your first sales, create email campaign and launch your digital business all in one place by using Systeme.io. So without any further ado, let's get started. So actually you just need to be understand what is system AIO mean. First, system IO is an all-in-one business platform. It lets you build sales funnel, create landing pages, send email newsletters, sell digital product and courses, and automate your entire marketing flow all without needing separate loops. It is simple, affordable, and perfect for beginners who want to launch quickly. So right now we just need to be sign up for a free account. So here you just need to be visit on system.io. Then you just need to click here, start for free now. Here you can see it is free for forever and no credit card required. That is the great thing. So here you can see the easiest way all in one marketing platform. Get your free account now. So I will copy my Gmail address from the my mailbox, and then I will copy this one and just copy this one and then click paste it here and click here. Once I click over here, they will provide us to here, tell us more about to get your best out of Systeme.io. So do you already have a business? Yes, an online business. Then what is the annual revenue in USD 500? Then just click to the next, and here you just need to be provide your phone number here. Let's choose our country. Our country is Bangladesh, so I am choosing this country, and then I will provide the number over here, 176. This is my number. Then click to the next. Once I click over here, then what your Systeme.io account email address. So this is our account email address. I will copy this one, just click to the submit. Once I click over here, you almost it there. We have sent an email to confirm your email address. Click the link inside the email to verify your address. If you don't see the email within few, check your spam folder. So let's go, and as you can see we already get, and here you can see that Systeme.io. Hi Ahmed. It seems you already have an account and registered email address. So we already have an account, so I just need to be go over here and just need to be sign in. But that place, just provide this one and then click to the Easter sign in and just click to the sign in. Please include. Okay, that's great. Email address. Here you just we have the email address. Provide the email address, just click to the account and you almost done. So here you can see, hi Amit. It seems you already have an account, registered email address. If you forget, okay, that's great. So I will click to the sign in. As I click over here, then I will paste my email address and then just click to the sign in. And here actually two-factor authentication is on, so I just need to be get a confirmation code. I will copy this one and then paste it here and transit it and just click to the sign in, and this is the easiest way to create an account. I hope you love this video. So now we are going to talk about create your first funnel. So the main feature of Systeme.io is building funnel. In the dashboard you just need to click here, you will have this one, and here you can see we have assets, automations, emails, sites, CRM, then dashboard. So dashboard you just need to be click on the funnel in the left. This is the list, so I just need to be click over here or just click to the affiliate or Eastern dashboard here, and here actually you will get the options to how to make your first with TikTok and Instagram, how to make your first ad from Facebook. That's great. You can learn this one, get access, and here you can read all this tutorial. This is the tutorial. It's really amazing. You can get access to University of Systeme.io, and here you can use the free plan. Okay, my plan is current. We are using the free one, so that's really good. So I will click onto the main dashboard. So here I just want to create an funnel, so I will click over here. Let's click this one, orders or emails, newsletter. Just click over here, and here you are allowed to create anything. So it's totally depend on you. Affiliate dashboard, here you can see this is the affiliate dashboard. Payments are like this is the prompt Systeme.io. Then click to the CRM, click to the contact. Here you can actually see this is the CRM you have, then you have the site, then you have sales funnel. So I am going to create my first funnel over here. So I just need to click onto the create. Once I click over here, then give your funnel name like free ebook funnel. Let's give a name that free ebook funnel, free ebook funnel. And then choose your goal. What will be your goal? It could be anything. You have built an audience, then sales a product, run an evergreen webinar, custom, what you are allowed to choose. Then click to the create and system. I will generate the basic funnel step for you, and like a landing page, thank you page, or sales page. So I will just click to the building an audience, then just click to them, and currency will be the USD. Let's remove an USD. Okay, let's leave it to the euro and click to the save. And now here actually you can see that your funnel has been created. This is the confirmation, so just click to the preview template or anything. I think this may be a good first one. Just click to the preview template and Systeme IO paste preview. So here actually you can see it. So I am going to click this, select this one, and then the sequence page and view funnel step. You can see the view funnel step also here. You can edit the page, you can change the page. There is the automations, rules, A/B tests, states, then leads, sales, deadline, everything you will find out here. And this is the easiest funnel that request page. Someone will be funnel, then they will come back to thank you page. Just select one of the thank you, just select this one, then inactive page, and here this is the inactive page. You just need to be add an inactive page. This is the inactive page. So it is a drag and drop panel, so you can easily edit your, like, customize your pages from that place. So you can edit page next to any step. This opens the drag and drop editor. I already mentioned. Use the blocks on the left to add text, image, videos, buttons, and forms. Customize it with your colors and prints. You just need to click the save changes and click to the view funnel, and here you can see the funnel. So I am going to provide this one. Then let's click this one, contact us, and it will redirect us to the thank you page. I'm creating the audience, that is the thing I am getting here. So now we are going to convert our email list, like we are going to connect our email list. Next, let's connect email marketing. Here you just need to click emails. Here just come back to this one, and here you will find out the emails, and in the left menu the campaign, you just need to click on the campaign, and then you just need to create your campaign. Just give a campaign name. It could be anything, like let's add it, the name will be welcome series, and here you just need to select your email address, send your email address. It looks like this empty, so here I will click to the save. So there's no email I have, so I just need to be add email over that place. So first of all, let's go and come back to this one, email newsletter. So we just need an email over that place. Just click this one, create, and here we are providing this thing. So you just create an email, and once you're done, you can add multiple emails to build sequence, like welcome email, value email, or offer email. Systeme IO will send them automatically when someone sign up through your funnel. So now we are going to talk about sell product or courses. So want to sell something, you just need to click product and sales in the menu. Here you can see we have the sales option, and here you can see the transaction subscriptions. Then here you have the automation assets. So if you want to sell physical products, you just need to click over here. Then here let's click this one, and actually here you can see it's looked like it is empty. So you just need to click over here, create, and here you just need to provide the name, description, SKU, text, behavior, currency, weight, and things one by one. Once you're done, then the product will be added here. If you want to use for digital products, digital course, you just need to click to the create. Like here you just need to click on these courses, and once you're done, here you just need to add a new courses, and in this way you can easily do your things so much reliably. So now you just need to link your product or course to a payment page in your funnel step. Systeme IO handles the checkout and delivery automatically. So now we are going to talk about automate with the workflow. So here you can see we have these automation options. Just click to the workflow. Automation makes life easier. You just need to click automation, then choose workflows, and like you just need to create and give your workflow a name. Let's click this one and give a name that will be automate, and just click to the save. Once I click over here, then you just need to choose and trigger. Just click this one, and here actually you will be into in the workflow. And here you just need to be choose a trigger like from submitted or tag. So here you can see it is so much easy. You just need to be understand the process as easy as you can. Then you just need to be select your course, or you can apply tag, then select your tag. Then you just first of all you just need to be trigger. Then you just need to add action like send an email, add a tag, or move the contact to another funnel. This lets say you set up powerful automation to run your business on autopilot. So now when you feel that your all work is ready, you just need to go back to the funnel and click to the publish. Copy your funnel URL and share it to your bio, ads, or social media. Test it yourself, sign up, check your mail, and make sure everything flows smoothly. And that's it. Now you know how to use Systeme.io in 2025 step by step. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like this video, subscribe, and hit the bell for more easy guides every week. Got questions about Systeme.io? Drop them in the comments. I am always here to help. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.